Hello and welcome to this winter 2017 edition of the Automate newsletter. My name is Chris Zachary and I'm a consultant with PMG here to show you a recent update to one of our rich form elements, List Builder. Have you ever needed to display a list of records on a form that was retrieved from, say, an external data source or perhaps some data that was provided in a previous task? Well, until now, you've been limited with what controls could query or preload that data. Well, I'm happy to announce that as of version 8.0, List Builder now accepts preload queries. Let's take a look at an example. Here, I have a task where the assignee is providing some new hire information for several individuals and adding them to a list. So I'll add the first new hire and click Add to List. And I'll begin on my second new hire, providing information such as first and last name, street, city, state, and zip. Now, once I've completed entering that information, I'll add it to the list and I'll click Submit. My workflow is routing the task to the next assignee, who in this case is validating and approving the new hire information that was previously entered. We're displaying the same information in a list builder, but this time there aren't any other questions feeding into it. So let's see how this is set up. First, we'll want to identify where our data is stored. In this example, we've stored our data in a table called New Hire. And from SQL Server Management Studio, I can ensure that my query retrieves all the necessary data. So first name, last name, street, city, state, and zip code. And I can validate that the result set is correct with the window below. Now we'll explore preloading this list builder on our form with the data that we validated. So within edit mode on my form, I'll click on the Advanced Properties button for the new hire list. And I'll scroll down to the section titled Preload Configuration. I'll set my external data source. I'll paste in my query in the query box. Then I'll scroll down to the Pass-Through Mode Options section. And here, I'm going to check the box that says Hide Add Item button. And what this is going to do is prevent our control loading with that add button. Now finally, you want to ensure that the columns of your list builder match your result set. That way they'll map up seamlessly. And then you're done. Now this latest enhancement brings List Builder in line with the other rich form elements such as Dynaform and Dynagrid by giving you ultimate flexibility with how your preload queries work. If you have any questions about this or any other topics, visit us at support.pmg.net or contact your service delivery manager.